Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a pretty exciting video, but it's also like I almost didn't want to film this because, so it's going to be an apartment tour. I'm just like talking, but you have no idea what I'm talking about. It's going to be an apartment tour, part 1, I guess I could call it, because we don't have everything we need at all. We still need like a coffee table, a TV stand, like a dining room table and chairs. It's a little empty, but we still have like the basics. We like keep you guys updated when I like get new stuff. I'll like show it in whatever video I'm filming. But yeah, so stay tuned if you want to see my apartment, my first apartment. I really love it. It's really different from like how I was living before in a house. It's just like, I don't know, there's a lot of different stuff. I'm also gonna show you guys like the game room, I think they call it, and if you have any like video ideas that you want me to do, just leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear whatever you guys want me to film, because I'm running out of ideas and I feel like thrift haul after thrift haul is fun, but it might get a little boring. So yeah, just let me know down below what you guys want to see and enjoy the video. And also, I tried my very best to make it clean and everything, but like some stuff just hasn't found its place yet. So if there's like some random plants and spots and just like, I don't know, I tried. Okay, so like right when you walk in, the bathroom's right here, but I'll do that after. Right when you walk in, there's the kitchen. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I know that this is like an extremely basic kitchen. I would have preferred a more modern kitchen, but like you get what you get. It just has like, I don't know, this color wood. I really like the faucet. It has like one of those things where you can like pull it. I have a little candle going, but yeah, then there's like 2 sets of closets right there. I have a little picture of me and Matt. It's like pretty much the basic stuff in the kitchen. Fridge, toaster. Yeah, not that you guys care at all, but here's the inside of my fridge. Stocked up on vitamin water down there. But yeah, have this cute little, what are these called? Knife holder. Dishwasher, which I never use because I'd rather just like hand wash dishes. I have my Keurig, and then you walk this way and it's like separated by levels, which I think is cool. Some people might think it's weird, but yeah. I'm gonna put this down. Our couch is like kind of funny. It's just like, it's very modern looking. You can like adjust those, make it go up. I think it's cool. But yeah, this is where our dining room would go once we get it. There's just a big empty space here right now. Me and Matt put up these shelves the other day, and there's like a spotlight that can go on it, which is really cool. But I think they're really cute. We got them at IKEA. Lots of stuff in here is from IKEA, but I'm gonna try and stray away from that so it doesn't look that basic. So we're gonna look on different websites for furniture. So if you have any recommendations, comment them down below. We have that little circle mirror that we got from Target, and that basket I thrifted. And then I just have like 2 blankets in here. I think that looks cute. So right here is, we have the Alexa, have that little plant, which is also from Target. This lamp, which is from Target. I just thought it would be cute to like put things on. So yeah, and then you walk up these 2 steps and it's just like in the actual living room area where there's like the cute little mirror. Hello. And then the couch. This couch actually has like storage in the tops of it. I think it's this one. Yeah, there's storage. We have nothing in it right now, but it's cool to have. We have this TV that we got on Black Friday, and it's a 65-inch. It's super nice. We still have to mount it to the wall. Then I bought this actually at a store in the mall who was like selling their decorations. I believe it was $7. I think it's cute. I have to find a place for it. So it's just there for right now. And then we have this fern, not a fern, Majesty Palm. Yeah, we have this Majesty Palm, and I need to water that, but It's a real plant, so cute, I love it. And then we have this lamp, which is also from Target. Gotta love Target. But the view outside is really nice. I know it's like parking lot right there, but then it's like the river over here, and it's super pretty. There's like we're like in downtown, so it's like there's so many shops over there. There's my car right there. But yeah, that's pretty much like all we have here right now. And then there's a balcony. We have little Christmas lights out there. I'll walk you out here, but there's people outside, so I'm not gonna talk that loud. So yeah, there's just like the river. And that goes into the bedroom. Yeah, there was someone cleaning snow off his car. So, I'm not gonna talk too loud so that my neighbors don't think I'm crazy. So yeah, I guess I'll go to the bathroom before I get too far away. So we have like washer, dryer in unit. It's really small, but it's still nice. The bathroom is my favorite part. I just think it's cute. We're gonna change out these light bulbs for more of like a white light. But yeah, it has this like big cement slab thing, which I think is like a cool industrial kind of a touch. We have this right here, bunch of lights, and then have this, which I believe is also from Target, and then we got this toothpaste. I believe this is like the, oh, it's so dirty. I believe this is like the, one of the Jenner's toothpaste or like tooth care lines, and it's like super cool, but it's almost empty, so I have to buy a new one today. Then we have the shower, pretty basic shower, nothing to it. We have this, we replaced the shower head. Matt replaced the shower head. He'll kill me if I say I did it too. But this one's so much nicer than the one that we had before. So, love that. I have my little candle going. I always have a zillion candles going. But, yeah, so now let's go into this room. So this is like the bedroom area. It's also, sorry if it's kind of dark in here, we don't have the best lighting right now, so we're just gonna have to deal with this, but it's pretty bright. So we have that light over there, but it's kind of yellow, so I feel like it's better off. We have this TV, which we already mounted, so that's exciting. And then if you go up here, it's like where I was just standing before, where it like leads out to the balcony. And then this is my desk where I have my computer, some of my makeup, and then like my mirror where I do my makeup, and then my coffee that I need to drink before it gets cold. And then this is Matt's desk, which is looking a little messy right now, but whatever. It's so funny because it's like night and day with our desks. Like all my stuff is white, all his stuff is black. But yeah, he has this cool setup, and we have this blank wall, which I want to do something with. But yeah, so then you walk down here, and then it's just like the bed. We used to have it in the corner over there, but this is more like functional, I feel like. A little table from IKEA, which we're gonna replace, but for right now it's working. Then this lamp, I thrifted it. I don't know where it's from. And then studio light that Matt stole from me. Then the closet is pretty much, I think, the last spot. We replaced this light to make it a little whiter. It still is coming up a little yellow on camera, but yeah, we have a huge closet and that I love so much. We still need a dresser. Like the pants ideally wouldn't be up there, but until we get a dresser, that's where they're gonna be. I try to keep my closet organized, but it's a little hard. So it's like kind of, I keep all my white stuff here. White is like my favorite color to wear, so that's why I have so much of it. And then it goes into gray and like a black, like a black shirt section, and then it's like multicolored stuff and dresses, and then random stuff that like didn't fit anywhere down there, and then a few of my jackets, and then this kind of like random hanger separates it. It has like Matt's belts on it, but then it goes into his clothes, and he has a lot less than I do, as you can tell. And there's his pants, and we put our like fancy bags and boxes up there, and then my extra purses. But yeah, and then we have our shoes all lined up down here. It's looking a little crazy in that corner, but it'll be organized once we have everything. Hello again. There's so many mirrors in here, but I still want more. So yeah, that was pretty much like the entire apartment in here. I'm still gonna show you guys like the downstairs area. That's the gym in there. And then that's like one of the entrances, the club room, I guess they call it. There's like a bunch of TVs in here. It's super cute. I have a couple Instagram pictures right here because this is just like my favorite thing in the world. You can like rent out this space. It's super nice. And there's like this area where you can sit, a bunch of chairs. I'm obsessed with how this is decorated. And there's like whatever this is called. And then another TV, pool, and then it's like right on the river, which is so cool. They're doing construction right there, and that's why sometimes in my videos you can hear it, but it's a bridge. So cute. So sunny in here. And then it's really cold out right now, but there's like a deck out here. So cute. And then it's like, I'm gonna fall. It's like right on the water. So like this would be such a nice space to just come out and chill in the summer. But yeah, it's so nice. I love this apartment so much. And right over here, I believe, is, yeah, it's like a little doggy area where you can like walk your dogs and stuff. Oh. But yeah, I'm obsessed with it down here. I just like, I don't know how many pictures I can take in this before it's too much, but I want to do like a billion photo shoots. But yeah. There's like more apartments down here, so I don't want to be obnoxious and talk really loud. It's the next day, but I just wanted to show you guys like how the sun shines in, and it's so pretty. Like shines all over the couch. But it's like 9, I think, right now, so this will be gone by like 11. But it's still pretty, so I just wanted to show you guys. So that's basically it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed taking a little tour of my apartment. Like I said, once I get more stuff, I will keep you guys updated. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And like I said in the beginning, comment any suggestions you have or for like stuff for me to film, because I would love to hear what you guys have to say. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!